The highly rated Afro Nation Portugal 2023 came to an end on Friday, the 30th of June 2023, day 3 of the Afro Nation Portugal 2023 edition. And it had been a fun ride up until that moment, up until that day. I've seen a lot of fantastic performers come up on stage to entertain the audience who are having a great time in Portugal. A fantastic time. And day 3 was just as amazing, with performances that include Booba, Fireboy, 50 Cent, and of course Davido, who has been in the news a lot, but he still came out and gave one hell of a performance. Shout out to the organizers of Afro Nation. Shout out to Smade. This is wonderful, and it's coming to Nigeria in December. It's coming to Lagos. So guys, go and get your beach buddies ready. I have a lot of work to do. But while we anticipate that, why not watch this video, check them out, some of the fantastic performances on day 3, and December will come. Whatever body we have, it will meet us like that.
How you guys doing tonight? I know this is an Afrobeats carnival and whatnot, but first off, I want to start by serenading the ladies out here. This is so many beautiful ladies in the house tonight. You ready for it? I'm ready, my brother. Let's go at this.
Buy you anything you like, roses and diamonds. You're the one I want. Oh no, yeah. Girl, I need you to decide. If them make them jealousy, now you are gonna hey. And I need you to be mine. If them make them jealousy, now you are one color of it. She said, "Now my love, oh, oh. Hey, and I belong to her. Oh, yeah. She gon' kill me somebody." Put your hand to the front, to the back. It's about Cause my guys call me. Say. Ha! If I offended you. I'm in love with you. Baby, nothing go fit to. Nothing go fit to. Opinion.
If you love hip-hop, make some motherfucking noise out there! Noise if you love hip-hop! Electric Mayhem, the unit, baby! If you love hip-hop, make some motherfucking noise out there!
I'm trying to explain, baby. The game to stop. I let you lick the love to stop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. Is that right? You have no way. Is that right? What we do, and where we do, and things we do, are just between me and you. Come on, give it to me, baby, nice and slow. I don't know what you heard about me, you just can't get it out of me. I'm better like no first you can't see, that I'm a motherfucking reality. So what? I don't know what you heard about me. Can't get it out of me. No Cadillac, no purse, you can't see. Then I'm a motherfucking reality. The sun, she in the club, she dancing. She got a thing for the Gucci, that Fendi, that Prada. What aftermath? Damn, baby, all I need is a little bit. A little bit. A little bit. Get it cracking in the club when you hear this shit. Drop it like this. Shake that. Work that, let me see it go on and down. Rotate that, I wanna touch that thing. We can make it go. This is how we do. We make a movie like the fool while we up in the. This is how we do. Nobody do it like we do it so. Fresh like, get lit, can you tell me we're fresh out the sun? Fresh out, it's your birthday. We gon' party like this. We gon' sip a party like this. And you don't give a fuck, it's not your I'm from the club, my man, I got that exit. My man, I got that exit, you never take a drug. I'm a 9 to 6. Give me that. He won't do that. Yeah. Why are you trying to touch it? Not.
We wanna party! We wanna party!
Come on, this is a good looking crowd. I believe in ladies, this little motherfucker. How old is that people been pushing? You say you want to party? Say what? Say what?
We wanna party!
Alright, let's turn up. Baby, hear me in there. Have a baby by me, baby. Hear me in there. Have a baby by me, baby. Hear me in there. Hear me in there. Hear me in there. Have a baby by me, baby. Hear me in there. Have a baby by me, baby. Hear me in there.
Yes, I do. Yeah.
go for the culture. What you wanna do, what you wanna do, just say, hey, yes, you want to stop. No.
Yes, sir. Are you feeling all right?
Let's do this together. Listen, yeah.
Tous les Français qui sont là, vous savez ce qui se passe en ce moment à Paris. C'est exceptionnel. Mais dans le mauvais sens. J'aimerais déjà faire un maximum de bruit pour la famille Yannel, s'il vous plaît, c'est important. C'est un Africain comme nous. Et quand un Africain tombe, c'est toute l'Afrique qui fait du bruit. Faites du bruit pour Yannel, s'il vous plaît. Deuxièmement, j'aimerais placer une grosse dédicace à mes frères congolais, c'est l'indépendance aujourd'hui. Je vois tous les drapeaux, c'est magnifique. Un maximum du bruit pour du Congo, s'il vous plaît. Voilà, on va représenter tout le monde. On est parti au Congo. On est parti aux Antilles. Alors, quand tu vas
Belong.
ça, vous déjà fou qu'on est.
Chicha, quoi. Je ne peux pas, je vais à la chicha. Je vais à la chicha pour les beurrettes. Si tu vois les gros âges, je sais que j'ai pris Heja dans la putain, je dis des merdes à toute vie. Laisse-moi que hop, ça me de la tourette. Tu cauchemar des doigts à la tirette. Je t'allume ta mère de la tourette. Vivement l'été pourvu qu'il neige. AfroNation fait du bruit. La piraterie n'est jamais finie, voilà, donc. Vous connaissez quoi? Hey. Vous connaissez quoi? Pour bien lever tous mes travailleurs.